So this is the Boya Magic, guys. So sobrang dami nagre-request, guys, na i-review natin to kasi this is one of the most controversial at the same time trending mic right now, guys, in the production space. This is the box itself. As you can see, guys, very interesting. Ngayon lang tayo, guys, na nakita ng ganitong klaseng mic. So tara, pag-usapan natin to, guys. So once again, I'm Jay Safante, also known as Kuya James, and now James CPNO. And by the way, guys, stay tuned until the end of this video kasi, guys, mamimigay tayo ng isang set ng Boya Magic worth 7,500 pesos completely for free sa mga subscriber natin. Panoorin to hanggang dulo. Let's go! So the box itself looks really promising naman, guys. Gamit natin siya right now. So as far as you know, yung simula pa intro tayo, guys, that's the audio quality of the Boya Magic mic na itself. Tara, tignan natin, guys. Unbox natin to. Let's go. Check natin. It has a bag itself, which is very similar, guys, sa mga other mics brand out there. I think yung ibang variants, guys, for some reason, leather siya. But this one, we got the canvas version. Very interesting. Actually, it's already here, no? So, ito yung na-unbox natin kanina. It's a leather one. And this one is a canvas. Very interesting. Mag-iba yung packaging nila. But sige, ito yung buksan natin. So, right from the box, this is the mic itself. There's another wind diffuser cable. And there's another set of wind diffuser naman for the mic itself. Ito yung mic itself, guys. First look ninyo on the Boya Magic. Tanggalin natin siya. And this is why they call this a Magic, because did you know that this is actually a mic? And this is actually a mic itself again. Like, how cool is that? Ngayon lang tayo nakakita ng ganitong mic, guys. And this is the receiver itself. So, napakalupit, napakaganda. So, the price of the Boya Magic is priced at 7,490 pesos. Again, this includes a windshield. And this includes a 2-pieces windshield independently for the mini mic itself. It was a cable, a manual, and a bag. So, the main benefit, guys, for this mic is actually yung versatility nito. Right out of the box, pwede mo siyang gamiting mic na parang ganito. So, the main benefit po nito, guys, ng Boya Magic 5 is this is ready for any camera, even sa mga phone, guys. So, hindi mo na kailangan mag-purchase ng mga any other accessories. So, pag-usapan natin yung audio quality nito, guys. In terms of the paper, it records in high fidelity of 48 kHz with 24-bit audio recording, which means the sound is gonna be clear and has a professional grade. The wireless range has a very long and reliable range of up to 200 meters with line of sight. So, ibig sabihin, guys, yung 200 meters na yon is measured, guys, with line of sight. So, dapat wala po yung obstruction. The battery life naman, guys, sa transmitter, it lasts for about 8 hours independently. The receiver lasts for about 10 hours. With the charging case, it can provide with over 20 hours of total recording time for a full day of shooting. So let's talk about features naman, guys. So itong Boya Magic, it has two magic features that they called. Number one is the onboard recording. It means it can record a backup audio file internally, guys, on each transmitter. And number two, ito yung pinaka-interesting, guys. It has an active noise cancellation, and they are claiming that this has one of the best noise cancellation with a single button press, and it will instantly reduce background noise. So, guys, before tayo maniwala, guys, dyan sa active noise cancellation, guys, na world class talaga siya, subukan natin, guys, kung gaano talaga siya kalinaw right now. So, para masubukan natin yan, guys, kukuha tayo ng turbo fan, guys. So, testingin natin. So, this is the mic that I'm actually using, and tututukan natin to ng maingay na mic. Yan, subukan natin. Yan. So, ito yung noise niya right now, guys, kung gaano siya kaingay habang nagsasatako. Testing, 1, 2, 3. This is Jay Safante, also known as Kuya James, and now James CPNO. And susubukan natin right now, guys. Itatap lang natin tong button sa gitna. And then, ayan na siya. So, this is the one with the AI noise cancellation, guys. As in, this is James Safante, also known as Kuya James, and now James CPNO. Testing 1, 2, 3. And as you can see, guys, nawala po yung audio niya. Ulitin ko, tatanggalin ko yung AI noise cancellation niya. Ayan siya. So, ayan, naririnig nyo. So, again, ibabalik natin, guys. And boom. Pag nag-green siya, ayan po yung ibig sabihin ng indicator na may AI na po siya. So, yun lang. Napakalupit, diba? Napakagaling. So, again, pinaka-nagustuhan ko, guys, ito sa Boya Magic is the form factor itself. So, pakita natin malapit sa camera. So, this is the case. Para ma-demo lang natin sa inyo, guys. Open mo lang siya here. And then, this is the mic itself, 1. And this is the number 2. It's already magnetic. The moment na binalik mo, magcha-charge siya automatically. And the moment na binunot mo, magto-turn on po siya. And this is the mic itself, guys. Like, this is my finger. And this is the mic. So, ganun siya kaliit, guys. Ganun siya kanipis. And meron siyang clip dito sa side na to with a very strong magnet, as you can see. This stick actually also becomes a mic na pwede mong ipang interview whenever kailangan mo, like, nakapalo ka ba sa akin? O, ganun mo siya pwedeng gawin. And lahat ng ito, guys, pwede mong i-connect sa phone mo just using this USB-C na nandito sa ilalim guys na demagnet din po siya. So napaka-compact talaga. So nandito naman sa likod yung charging niya. There's an indicator here guys sa baba na 1, 2, 3, 4 which is the capacity or the battery of the Boya mic. And ito guys, ito yung isa pa sa pinaka very interesting. If you have a tripod like for example Ulanzi, so gagawin mo, for example, let's say magpa-podcast kayo, gusto mo ng really versatile mic, no? So gagawin mo lang dito, iikot mo lang siya. So there's a thread mount here as you can see, really nice. Iikot mo lang siya. Pag inikot mo na siya, for example, itututok natin siya dito, and then ilalagay natin dito, meron ka ng podcast mic guys na napaka-slick actually tignan na. Like, pwede mo siyang itaas ng ganyan. Tapos, pwede mo siyang tanggalin ulit. And then, pwede mo siya bang interview. Who would thought na possible to sa gantong mic? And actually, napaka-interesting ng ginagawa ng Boya. Like, Boya is very well known for like affordable, lower quality mics from the past. But I think right now, they are starting to change the game, no? Especially yung AI noise cancellation, napaka-lupit. So right now, let's talk about my verdict on this mic. Let's go. So the verdict guys, para kanino ba tong Boya Magic? Now we know that there's a lot of options out there, but honestly I think this is really perfect for new creators that is looking for a complete budget-friendly mic again for starters. Kasi guys, this mic really does everything like interview contents, whenever gagawa ka ng ganitong YouTube content. As you can see, ang ginamit nating mic here talaga is the Boya Magic and you can see naman na very clear siya right from the start. I think it really like goes into the level of like other top brands out there. When you buy this mic, it can also be a conversation starter sa mga content mo kasi matatanong talaga nila, ano yung mic na gamit mo? Well, this is the Boya mic. Now, let's go to the announcement of another giveaway na ginawa natin in the past and let's go. So last time guys, nagkaroon tayo ng review about Nubia phones and meron tayong giveaway doon na ginawa din guys katulad ng ginagawa natin here with the Boya mic. So ilalabas natin sa screen yung pangalan nila. Congratulations sa inyong dalawang panalo guys ng Nubia cellphone. So kung kayo man tong pinapakita natin right now here on the screen, i-message nyo na po kami right now guys on our Facebook page, Kuya Jin Zapata with the blue check mark para maklaim yung prize ninyo. Just provide proof na kayo talaga yung mga winner. And tong binabalot ko right now, ipapamigay din natin to guys sa ating isang lucky subscriber guys. So paano sumali guys? Kung gusto mo na itong Boya mic worth 7,500 pesos guys, simple lang guys. Mag-subscribe ka, i-like mo tong video na to, i-share mo, at i-comment mo dyan sa baba anong nagustuhan mong feature, anong nagustuhan mo about the Boya Magic 5 at bakit. I-comment mo dyan sa baba. And in case naghahanap ka ng good deal about this mic guys, I've already attached link in the description right now dyan below. Yung pinaka-best price with the biggest voucher right now in the whole Philippines. So kung gusto mo, i-check out mo na, link in the description below din po siya. So huwag nyo kalimutan mag-like, mag-comment, mag-share again para makasali kayo dito guys sa ating giveaway and turn on that notification bell guys dahil i-announce po natin guys yung winner nito sa mga susunod na videos natin. So always watch our reviews. Again, this is James Afante, also known as Kuya James, and now, James 3.0. See you on our next video.